Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Cambly app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on layering down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down, you click here on graphic pronunciation here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You select your native language here. So then here you select here proficiency here. Then you click here on down, then here it's going to show for you on next list on your Cambly app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.